she made everything. Zayde went to get chickens. I always remember Prospect Place. He would walk from the house to the next block, Prospect Place. The next street of Prospect Place was lined with pushcarts on both sides until the city had an ordinance sometime in the 40s and made them have only one side pushcart so they could clean the other side. There were shops in the street, food shops, and the pushcarts. And there was a big poultry house. It was like a huge 3-story open place with cages full of poultry, chickens, ducks, geese. And Baba had gone there and picked out her chickens, and the shaykhut had them ready. And Zayde would come there, and her chickens that she picked out for the yontif or the Shabbos would be ready there, and Zayde would have them shechted. And I remember seeing Zayde walk down the street, holding the chickens by the legs with the blood dripping, coming to the house, up through the house, up the stairs, past Mrs. Goodman's downstairs apartment, in through the Baba's kitchen, and on a step stool, up on the radiator, out the kitchen window where the fire escape was. And she had a benkel, a bench set up there, and he would sit on the benkel, there were newspapers laid, and he would pluck the chicken, which was still warm with its blood. And then Baba would clean it, of course, and make all kinds of wonderful things, marvelous, wonderful things out of it. Because she used the schmaltz and she made griven. Because she used the legs and she burned them over the open fire on her stove, and then she rinsed it and peeled it, and she used the legs in the soup and all the parts in the soup.